If you enjoy making candles, then stay with me in this video because I want to talk to you about this that I have here. So these are 50 wood sticks, and I like it because it's pretty sturdy, so it's going to burn evenly, and all the wax and everything that you pour inside the candle is going to get that benefit out of the wood stick and the flame. So this is very important. The quality is super important if you want that candle to have like a quality and you want it to smell good. Here are the wood, the metals. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick that wood in one of these, and you're going to put it in the center of the candle after you put the wax and you put everything in the jar. And one of the things that I enjoy is not only that this is fun, but when you do it right, your house, your office is going to smell so good, and the aesthetic appeal is going to be like the ones in the store. So even beginners can do it. Other than that, this is a solid buy.